Good morning, children. Today we are going to conduct an experiment in chemistry. And this experiment is from the lesson Is Matter Pure from 9th standard. Let's see the aim of this experiment. The aim is to know how to prepare a tea solution. Let us also see the materials required. First, we need wire gauge, a beaker, a stand, a spirit lamp, and a strainer. Like every experiment, let us see the precautions. Add sufficient amount of sugar and tea powder. Now we need to be very careful to avoid fire accidents during the experiment. Let's see the procedure of this experiment. Take the solvent like water is taken in a beaker and heat it. When the solvent boils, add the solute, milk, and water forms a solution. Wait for some time until water forms a solution. Now add some tea leaves into solution, which are insoluble. Add some sugar, then boil the mixture. Wait for some time until the mixture is boiled. Finally, filter the boiling mixture. Now the filtrate tea is ready. Children, let's have some Viva Voce. I would like to ask you some questions regarding the experiment which we have completed. First question, are the tea leaves soluble or insoluble? The answer is, the tea leaves are insoluble. Now let's have another question. Is tea filtrate a homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture? Answer is, tea filter is always homogeneous mixture.